bite. Man, gosh, that's good. Wow. All right, yesterday I hit about 145 grams of protein and about 1,000 calories or so by lunchtime, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Follow this exact recipe. Now this breakfast right here, I'm gonna show you. I've been having it a few times this week already. It's gonna get you around 65 grams of protein or so. It fills you up. I work out later on in the morning, so this actually holds me off until then. I'm gonna show you exactly what I ate. Get you by lunchtime, you're gonna get you about 145 grams of protein. If that's something you're looking for, this video is for you. Check this out. Okay, what I did is I just started out, what I have here is 2 eggs, 2 egg whites, half a cup of cottage cheese, and of course, I try to use Good Culture cottage cheese. If you can find Good Culture, go with Good Culture. If not, you can go with Daisy or any other kind that you want. I'm using this Carb Master milk here, 1 cup of this, 11 grams of protein. Kroger has this. If you can't find the Carb Master milk, I also use Core Life milk, which is great, or any fat-free milk. That's what I use, fat-free milk. And I'm also using this Premier Protein 20-gram cereal. Man, this stuff is good. If you know, you know. Let me know if you know about this Premier Protein cereal. Man, it's so good if you haven't. Now, I'm gonna have this breakfast, and man, it's gonna hold you down. Almost 65 grams of protein up in here. One more thing. Come to my attention that a lot of people don't like cereal for some reason. So a lot of people don't get down with the protein cereal. That's fine, just don't have it. Just make sure you subtract the 20 grams of protein from your macros. Take out 20 grams of protein, and what you can do, just replace it later on in the day with like 4-ounce chicken breast, okay? Just measure out 4 ounces of chicken, cook it up in some lime sauce or some Frank's Red Hot or something, and that'll get you around 20 to 24 grams of protein. So you don't have to go with this if you don't want to. I just wanted to make that note because I know some people, man, when I post that I eat cereal, whoo, buddy, that'll set off a few people, you know. Some people don't like cereal, so I just want to give you an alternative. Have a little chicken breast later on in the day, or, you know, maybe some more cottage cheese or something like that, all right? So I just ate, feeling good, ready to get my morning started. I'll be back on here later. Get this workout in. Remember, the gym is the fun part for me. It's everything else you do the rest of the day that really counts. Ooh, man, but I love coming to the gym. Now I'm about to drink my protein shake, get home, make this lunch. Like I said, 140 grams of protein, about 1,000 calories or so. Wrap it up. Talk to you in a second. Just had a great workout. Man, I'm hungry though, but I'm drinking my protein. Now remember, this is 1 scoop of Kaged vanilla whey protein isolate, 25 grams of protein. Tastes great. So I can drink this on the way home. And by the time I get home and make my lunch, which doesn't take long at all, I'll be hungry again. So I'm pretty hungry right now, but that's why I like to carry this with me. It just tastes so good. Water, 5 milligrams of creatine. That's all in here. 1 scoop, 25 grams of protein. So I'm gonna get home and make this meal. And like what I try to say is keep these items in stock. That's why I talk about keeping items in stock so much, because I like the fact that I can go home anytime and I know I got protein at the house and I have a lot of things that I can make. You know, if it's chicken, if it's beef, but chicken and beef, I can make all kinds of different meals because I keep these items in stock. So that's why I always say that, keep these items in stock. Go buy these sauces, go buy this, go buy that. Because if you just keep it in stock, then you can make anything. So if protein's something that you're struggling to get, that's what this video is, to help you get home. Go ahead and make this. Come on now. All right, guys, here we go. Here's lunch. All right. All it is a hamburger and some yogurt. All right. It tastes so good. Believe me, it might seem super simple, but I'm trying to tell you, man, this will get you to where you want to be. All right. So the good thing about this meal is that it's so easy to make. I just made it in minutes because, man, I'm starving. All right, I got home, I'm ready to eat. Let me show you how I made it. Now, the easiest way to do it, most grocery stores sell them like this, is just go get the beef that already comes in the patties. I don't know if it gets any easier than that. Come on now, you can't beat that. Now, this one's from Walmart. This is 93 lean beef. Kroger has them, HEB. All your stores have them where they're already like this. This was a 4-pack. 2 were gone because I ate one yesterday. I'm eating one today. So I got 2 more left. I'm telling you, man, these things cook in 10 minutes on the stove. I mean, it's so simple. And you can just season it however you want. It doesn't matter. All I did was just use this right here, some Slap Your Mama and a little cayenne pepper to add a little heat to it. I use some cayenne pepper. Man, you can't beat that. You can season it however you want. It doesn't matter. But I just use these 2. That's how easy it is. I'm trying to tell you, this thing tastes amazing. Now, I'm always talking about these buns right here, these keto buns. If you know, you know. These keto buns are great, even if you're not on a keto diet, okay? If you're not on a keto diet, it's totally fine. If you're not caring about carbs, I still say try these out, okay? If you're looking for a good bun, try these out, man. They are so, man, let me pull one of these jokers out of here and show you what I'm talking about. Look at that, this bun is so soft, all right? I don't know how else to explain it. It is so soft for a hamburger bun. Come on now, you cannot beat that. Now these right here are 60 calories a bun, okay? 1 net carb, 15 grams of fiber. I mean, come on now, you can't beat that. Even if you're not keto, you gotta try these buns, man. Give them a shot. This is the one you gotta get right here. It's Nature's Own Keto Bun. You can find these anywhere, Walmart, Kroger, HEB. Everybody sells them, okay? But you gotta get the Nature's Own. These are the softest one I've found. I've tried other ones and they aren't as good. I'm trying to tell you, if you know about these, let me know in the comments. Come on now, even if you're not keto, you gotta try these out, all right? And of course, I just added 1 serving of mozzarella cheese. It just tastes so good and it adds some protein. If you want to go with fat-free cheese, you can. I just use mozzarella cheese. Whatever cheese you want to, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you track it. Yogurt, 1 tablespoon of 4 fruits jelly. If you know, you know. I always talk about this 4 fruits jelly. Obviously, I love it. Look at that joker. It's almost gone. This is that big jar I get at Costco too. All right, I need to go get some more. But I'm trying to tell you, 1 serving of this, 1 tablespoon of this. Don't go dump half this jar on there. You're gonna throw yourself off. 1 tablespoon mixed with this. Thank me later. It tastes so good. This is, man, it tastes great with that burger. Skip the fries, skip all that junk. Just put some yogurt with a little jelly in there. I'm trying to tell you, thank me later. Come on now. Oh yeah, 1 serving has 18 grams of protein too. Come on. All right guys, so that's it. That's what I'm having for lunch right there. Got this burger, side of yogurt. I'm gonna throw some jalapenos on there because I like to get down with jalapenos. That's optional, you don't have to. Jalapenos taste great on a burger, in my opinion. But you don't have to put them on there, it's fine. I had some lettuce left over from a lettuce wrap. I'm gonna throw that on there too. Man, this is so simple, I'm trying to tell you guys. This meal right here, 55 grams of protein, around 430, 440 calories, 18 grams of carbs, 15 grams of fats or so. That's for lunch. Remember for breakfast, that was around 500 calories or so, 64 grams of protein, 18 grams of fat, 20 carbs, all right? So total plus with that Kaged protein shake I had on the way home from the gym, 25 grams of protein, can't beat it. Total, we're looking at around 1,000 calories, 145 grams of protein, 33 grams of fat, and around 40 carbs or so, okay? Give or take a few, all right? So man, I'm trying to tell you, this is it's only lunchtime, all right? I'm already at 145 grams of protein, all right? If you're trying to hit that, I don't know how much easier I can make it for you. If you don't want to get that much protein, that's fine. What you can do is just split this up throughout the day, all right? If 145 is your goal, split it up throughout the day. You don't have to eat that much for breakfast. If you want to, skip that cereal, because a lot of people don't like the cereal for some reason. I don't know, but skip the cereal, it's fine. You know, add in, like I said, 4 to 5 ounces of lean chicken breast. That'll get you around 25 grams of protein or so, okay? So there's ways you can do it, all right? These are only ideas. Only trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you reach your protein goals. I always hit my protein goals and I'm trying to help you do the same. Let me know what you think about this video. Hopefully this helps you out, but I'm telling you, man, you gotta try these burgers. I mean, come on now. You cannot beat that. These things are great. All right, I'm about to eat this. I'm starving. Let me know what you think about this video. Let's keep getting better. Let's go.